What's up, best friends? My name is Brian Deach, and today I want to talk to you about how to secure your SAP rollout, how to protect your data as well. And maybe you're in this kind of hybrid state. You still have some SAP hanging out over here at the data center. Maybe you've migrated some of your applications, maybe to one of the many hyperscalers that are out there, AWS or even Azure. But one thing's for certain, you want to ensure that your data stays where it belongs, which is maybe a sanctioned PC, keep it at the data center, and these hyperscalers of your choice, but not on some third-party device. But also, in addition to that, whether these users are here or here, we don't want them to be uploading things, right, into these environments and having people get click happy and just introducing a world of hurt and scariness as well. And last but not least, you don't want this data just going out anywhere, maybe to personal email. So the answer is, yes, you guessed it, the 500-pound gorilla in the cloud, the Zero Trust Exchange. We won't get into the semantics of how all this connectivity works from Azure and AWS. But again, that traffic reaches outbound, right? We're hiding that attack surface over here. We're hiding the attack surface over here. Same thing, you guessed it, hiding the attack surface over here at the data center. The goal is to always meet in the middle of the Zero Trust Exchange for your users. All they need is Zscaler Client Connector, our lightweight agent, to steer traffic over here. As we do that, we're decrypting, we get complete visibility, and we ensure that any traffic going out to internet or SaaS is intended to go that direction. It's going to be safe. And for your third parties, you can either redirect them. You can just basically come in from a mobile browser and say, hey, on this portal page, if you want to talk to our SAP stuff, you go here, we authenticate you, we put you into browser isolation, and more particularly, we want to make sure that we keep data off of here, but we also don't want to put this user or this user onto the network. That's where we kind of meet in the middle. And from a DLP perspective, this user is reaching out to any of these SAP applications. The last thing you want to do is have this user just send it willy-nilly out to their personal email. Again, that's where the Zero Trust Exchange comes in. But we can not just do it at inline. We can do it out of band. We can do it email, endpoint DLP. The list kind of goes on. And the use case from like email would be, I'm taking a file, I'm sharing it to someone outside the organization. It has something sensitive there. Maybe it shouldn't go. Now we have the ability to inject a header that says, maybe you allow it, maybe you block it, maybe you quarantine it, maybe you watermark it. The list goes on and on. From an endpoint DLP perspective, you can allow them to maybe copy something over to like a USB drive. We'll dynamically encrypt it. That way, if they take it from a corporate computer and plug it into grandma's computer, it's just garbage. They can still print, but maybe we can retract personal information, sensitive information. And then last but not least, maybe a local network share to straight up block it. And then we have the watermarking capabilities as well. And as we do all of this, again, it's just about keeping your data where it belongs. I can do endpoint DLP scanning right here, data lineage. But again, I want to make sure that data stays here, 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 even on the sanctioned PC, but not necessarily this third party. Now, as users are coming through, not all users are created equal. Maybe this user wants to upload like a weaponized PDF or a PowerPoint, I have no idea, and drop it into some S4 application and hope that another user will come through there and click on it. And that's where the Zscaler AI sandbox comes into play. If it's benign, that AI incident verdict will just allow that user to do their job. But if it's bad, it will tell you that it's bad and then prevent that user from compromising themselves or other people. Now, when we talk about third party, I'm saying I want to come in here clientlessly. I'm going to do this via any modern browser in the world, make life simple. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, it doesn't really matter. They're going to get prompted with identity first. Who are you and what application should you be able to talk to? Maybe it's only this one and not here or here. But I'm going to stream the pixels over to this third-party device, but their ability to maybe copy, paste, upload, download will be completely retracted. Again, we want to keep your data where it belongs, which is definitely not on this third-party device. So with that said, we're looking at those advanced threats. Same thing here. This user can try to upload something malicious, but I'm going to stop it. I can allow a third party to come in here and upload something from that web browser. But again, I'm still going to inspect it with our AI sandbox and prevent bad things from happening. But more importantly, allow good things to go from there. So at the end of the day, Zscaler DLP, whether it's inline, out of band, at rest, email, endpoint, we got you covered. And advanced threat protections might as well just be synonymous with Zero Trust Exchange. That's my time. Thank you for watching.